Welcome to VOGT. In this video, we will show you a step-by-step guide on how to set up and operate your Geo Injector Pro. Please note, this video does not replace the operating instructions. Please read the operating instructions carefully and thoroughly before operating the Pro. The components of the Geo Injector Pro: Turbo Spade VTS, Pneumatic Control, Injection Unit, Supply Unit, Supply Hose, and Compressor. When moving the supply unit, please note the weight and the casters at the front. Insert the injection spike into the ground. Connect the hexagon to the turbo spade. Then, attach the pneumatic control to the VTS. The cable, the VTS connection hose and the injection hose must be on the same side. Connect the blue hose from the injection unit to the turbo spade. The cable to the pneumatic control. Now connect the injection unit to the supply unit. Wrap the injection unit over the bracket on the supply unit. As the Geo Injector Pro has large pneumatic tires, it can be easily moved across uneven ground. Lay the supply hose between the Geo Injector and the compressor. Hoses can be coupled together for longer distances. First, connect the hose to the supply unit. Then to the compressor. Open the cover on the compressor and turn the main switch to on. During operation, keep cover closed. With the ball valves closed, switch on the ignition and preheat for a sufficiently long time. Then start the compressor and hold the switch for about 2 seconds. As soon as the white pointer is in the green area, the operating temperature has been reached, and the ball valve may be opened. The distances between injections depend on the condition of the soil. Mark the injection positions. The next step is to fill the supply chamber with the material to be injected. Use the adjusting wheel at the back to change the amount of material per injection. Use the dosage table in the lid of the toolbox to set the required amount of material. Turn the 2 switches to the on position. The glide air helps penetrate the soil. Place the injection tube over the line paint mark and operate the lever on the turbo spade. Once the operating depth is reached, press the injection button on the remote to aerate the soil and create cracks, fissures and voids. Then press the material button. This will insert the requested dosage of material into the injection area. Then press the injection button again to inject the material into the soil. It is advisable to mark the injection holes with a stick to make it easier to find them later. Now work through your markings. If the required dosage is higher than a single injection, repeat the process until the correct amount has been injected into the soil. You can also inject at different depths. Please note that injected material may escape previously injected holes. Once complete, the holes should be filled with a drainage material. This promotes gaseous exchange and increases the drainage capacity of the soil. After the work is done, clean the Geo Injector. Disconnect the blue hose and attach the supplied blowgun instead. Clean the unit from dust and dirt. Note: residues of material can impair the function of the unit. Turn both switches to the off position. Now switch off the compressor and relieve the pressure via the free ball valve. Open the cover on the compressor and switch the main switch to off. Disconnect the depressurized supply hose. Then disconnect all connections on the supply unit. If required, charge the battery using the supplied charger. The battery level is displayed on the Pro control panel. VOGT Geo Injector Pro, the powerful professional device for soil aeration and injection technology. Any questions? Take advantage of our consultation service by telephone at 004992787743330 or by mail under info@vogt-tech.de.